Today, in this video, we will solve one simple problem with moment distribution method but using Excel sheet. So let us see the problem. We have this problem. We have to determine the member in moments for the three span continuous beam by moment distribution method. So let us do the necessary calculation first, then we will use Excel sheet to determine final in moments. Now this is our problem. Here at A there is fixed in moment and at D there is also fixed in moment. Now the span length AB is equal to 6 meter, span length BC is equal to 6 meter, and CD span length is equal to 6 meter. So what I will now, what is our step first? Our step first is to calculation of fixed in moment. I am considering anti-clockwise moment as positive. To for such loading, such this type of loading, for fixed in moment AB is given by PL square by 30. If you will see the formula for such loading, P in place of P here it is WL square by 30. So same formula I have utilized here, PL square by 30. So after calculating this, we got 32.4 kilonewton meter. Now fixed in moment BA is given by minus PL square by 20. Minus I have taken because it is clockwise moment. As you can see in the formula also, here PL square by 20. Hope you have understood. That's why I have taken PL square by 20. After calculation, we got minus 48.6. Similarly, for uniformly distributed load, we know the formula PL square by 12. That after substituting all the values, we got 81 kilonewton meter, and FEM CB is equal to minus PL square by 12, that is minus 81 kilonewton meter. FEM CD, when we calculated in similar manner, we got 48.6, and FEM DC we got as minus PL square by 30, as we have seen in the formula. And after substituting these all values, then we got minus 32.4 kilonewton meter. Now our second step is the calculation of distribution factor. Now we will calculate distribution factor. So here we have calculated distribution factor like this. See, you can see joint member relative stiffness, total relative stiffness, distribution factor. So member is what? Joint B at joint B member is as BA and BC. So relative stiffness we have calculated because all members are of same material, means all members having same modulus of elasticity. That's why we can use I by L only. So I have written here I by 6, and for BC also I by L is equal to I by 6, as the member length is equal to 6 meter, and for CB also and for CB as well as for CD also I have written I by 6. Now total relative stiffness, that is sigma K. On addition of these two, I by 6 we will get I by 3. And for this case also, I by on addition of this I by 6 plus I by 6, we will get I by 3. Now we need to calculate distribution factor. How we calculate distribution factor is given by K by sigma K. When we will solve, so we will get 0.5 for each member BA and BC. For each member we are getting 0.5, and distribution factor for each members are same. Now we will proceed for the moment distribution process in Excel sheet. Let us open Excel sheet. This is our Excel sheet. I have written here member AB, BA, BC, CB, CD, DC. Now I need to write here distribution factor, distribution factor. So for AB, as A is fit in, so distribution factor will be for AB, distribution factor will be 0. So I have written here 0. And for BA, we have calculated distribution factor is equal to 0.5, and for BC also we have calculated distribution factor as 0.5, and for CB also we have calculated distribution factor as 0.5. As for CD member also we have calculated distribution factor as 0.5. As D is fixed in, so distribution factor will be 0. That's why I have written here 0. Now we need to write fixed end moment, that is FEM. So what we have got fixed in moment for AB members, for AB we have got 32.4. So I will write 32.4. Now for BA we got minus 48. You can see minus 48.6. For BC we got 81 plus of 81, and for CB we have got minus 81, and for CD we have got 48.6, and for DC we have got minus 32.4. Now what we need to do? Now we need to do what we need to do? Now we need to do balancing. We need to do now balancing. We have started the moment distribution processes by balancing joints at B and C. So we need to do balancing. Now how we will do balancing? How, what formula we will use? See here. So balancing we need to do now. So what we will apply is equal to, now we will put negative of sign. Then we will write summation of fixed at moment of a, sorry, here balancing will be we need to do balancing at joint B and C. So here it will be 0. At joint B we will have two member BA and BC. So here we need to do balancing, and 0 I put equal to non-negative of sign summation. See here. Now I need to add this fixed in moment, means moment at joint B. So this column C3 and D3 we need to add. C3 and D3 we need to add, and C3. So I will write C3. You can C3 plus of D3. D3 now bracket of, now what we need to do, we need to distribute also. What is the distribution factor? So we will put star, distribution factor is 0.5. 0.5 I did. Now we will press enter. So what I got, minus 16.2. Similar way we can do in this case also. Now first we will put equal to sign, then we will put minus, then as you sum, then bracket open, then we need to add fit in moment at joint B, that is C3 and D3. C3 plus of D3, then bracket of, then we need to distribute, the distribution factor here is 0.5. So star 0.5. Now we will put enter. We got minus 16.2. 16.2. Now similar, in same way we can do here also. We need to put equal sign, then negative sum bracket open, then we need to, now we need to add, which we need to add, it is for C na, so we need to add E3 as well as F3. We need to add E3 and F3. So what I will write, E3 plus of F3. bracket of, then again we will multiply with distribution factor. Same here, distribution factor is 0.5. So press enter, we will get this. Now same way we have to do in this case also. So what we will do, we will put equal to sign first, then negative sign, then we will write sum, then bracket open, then what do we need to add, e3 plus f3, e3 plus of f3, bracket of, then we need to multiply with distribution factor 0.5, press enter, 16.2. Now at this uh, don't need 0. Now we will taking carry over moment. So carry over moment we will be calculating here. Carry over. Carry over. As we know, one half of these all distributed moments are then carried over to the far ends of the member. So for AB, BA is the far end. We need to carry over. So what I will write, we will place equal to sign. Then we need to, half of the moment will be carried over now. So C4 divided by 2. So we will write C4 divided by 2. Press enter. We got this. And for BA, AB is the far end. So 0 equal to we will put. Then B4. B4. B4 slash 2. We will get 0 only. And for BC, what is the far end for BC? BC for CB will be the far end. So what I need to write here? Equal to CB is the far end. So E4 divided by 2. So we will press enter. Got 8.1. For CB, BC is the far end. Is equal to sign. Then D4 divided by 2. Press equal to sign. We got. Now for CD, DC will be the parent. So DC here we have 0, so 0 we will get, but better to apply formula. Equal to, so DC, this is G4 divided by 2, we will got 0 only. And for DC we have far end is CD. So press equal to sign, F4 divided by 2 only. Press equal to sign, we will got 8.1. So now we don't have to repeat, we don't have to use formula again and again. What we will do, see here. So we will be copying this. I copied. Again I need to do balancing. So at this, at row number 6, we need to paste, which paste we have to do, formula paste. So I will be pasting this. So we got. Now here balancing, we have to write now balancing. Again we have to do carry over. So we don't have to use formula again. We just have to copy this. I copied. We need to paste here formula. Again I will be doing balancing. Now at this time of balancing, we need to copy the sixth row. So I will be copying sixth row, copy, then I will be pasting row number 8. So I pasted, we got. Now again I need to do carry over. Now I will be copying this 7th number row. So I will be copying this 7th number row. I copied it, then I will be pasting in this row number 9. I pasted. Again I need to do balancing. Again I need to do balancing. So I will be copying now row number 8. I copied row number 8. Now I need again I will be pasting in row number 10. Just paste it. Again we need to do carry over. Same process we will apply. Carry over. So now we have to copy this row number 9. Copy it and now here paste it. We have to skip our result at balancing. We know we don't have to skip at carry over. We have to skip our result at balancing. So balancing, last balancing I am doing, as we have got very small, as we are getting very small value. So I will be copying this row number 10. Copy. I will be pasting in row number 12. Now what I need to for calculation of final moments, the final in moments obtained by summing the moments in each column of the moment distribution table. Each column we need to, yes, each column we need to add. So I will be summing now final moments. Now I will be adding this column. So from 3 row number, from row number 3 we have to add till row number 12. So we will getting the same result. We will getting the final result. So what I will write formula for this summation, sum from where we need to add B3 till B12 bracket of press enter, we will get our result. For this column, for this C column also we have to, what we have to write formula is equal to sum. Now we have to add from begin moment na. So C3 till C12. So I am writing bracket open C3 to C12 bracket of press enter, we will getting. For this column also equal to sum bracket of on now D3 to D12 bracket of press enter. For this column also we have to do equal to sum bracket on E3 D12 bracket of press enter. For F column also what we have to do same way, equal to sum now F3 F12 bracket of press enter equal to sum bracket on D3 D12. We got our final moments are like this. In this way we can use Excel sheet. If still you have any confusion or any doubt, you can write comment in